Alright, so this is the last of the rubber to put on there. This will get it up off its ground and back on its 4 tires. So let's get this tire mounted up. This is the Harbor Freight manual tire changer, and it works pretty good. These tires are a little weather cracked, and I'm just kind of putting the best side out, and that's why I'm putting tubes in these tires. So there's our new tubes we're using. Find where your stem's going to go in and just work it down in there. Okay, tube's in there. We'll find the stem and pull him up through the hole. And I'll fill the inner tube up so I know there's no twists or kinks in it. I won't fill it up much, just enough to make sure it's not crooked. Then I'll take one of these valve stem removal tools and screw it down on the valve so it don't fall back in the hole. And we start working the tire around. And I'll take a little dish soap and just go around the edge here. This will help lubricate the rubber so that dry rubber is not going across the dry metal, and that really helps. And then we'll put some water on that. Steal some out of the plasma machine here and just get it all soapy, bubbly up, and that really will help. Use that, work that around a little bit. Back side of this tool, really not good for much. And I think all the YouTube videos out there, that's the consensus. So I get it around as far as I can. I'll just start walking it around with the bead. just taking little bites at a time. Working that tire around, making sure it stays down in the low spot, the low valley of the rim. And just like that, one tire mounted. Now we'll take and pull the valve stem back up because I didn't lose it down in there. Kind of pinch him down to the side. Take this valve stem removal tool off. Put some air in it. Make sure your fingers aren't down in there. I've yet to have one of these pop up on the rims. Just, I don't know if it's because I'm using the tube or they're just old military rubber. I'm not sure, but you do not want your finger in between a tire and a rim when you're filling up a bead. I actually went on a medical call one time where a guy was filling up one of these tires and it popped the tractor tire and ended up popping his thumb right off into the road. Pretty bad deal. That's looking pretty good there. Replace your valve stem. Put these down on there so that metal thing don't scratch up the rim. But that's it. One more tire, that's the last one. It's the last one for the coot. Yeah, we're getting there. What do you think? Leave a comment down below if you like that. I like that. And I'll roll the coot around again. Next thing to do, get the motor in. And just like that, we got the old coot back up on all fours. I sure like that. And I know somebody's gonna comment and say, hey, that's your rear tire. And you're right, I got both rears in the front, but that's how it's gonna sit for a minute till I flip them around. You can tell that by these little chains go wrap up and around here for kind of like almost like a little paddle tire. There's 5 sets of chains that wrap around these. I think I discussed that way earlier in the video, but I'll eventually put those back on the back. But for now, it's going to sit like this. I think it looks pretty good. Don't you guys think it looks good? Sitting back on all four. Yeah, like it. Steering linkage is all hooked up. Let's see how that works there. Oh yeah, back and forth. Good. Okay, that's a quick video for you. Thanks for watching. Push the notification bell, subscribe, do all that fun stuff if you care to. If not, then hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.